Yo, what's up everybody? We just arrived to the beautiful neighborhood of Bangkok, Talat Noi, and this is Marine Department, one of the most beautiful stations for the, well, river taxi I could say. They're feeding the fishes actually, check this out, they have fishes there, they got the bread, and this is the beautiful station, Marine Department. We came here as always on the orange flag, and check this out, this architecture here everywhere around, so cool.
They have a very big catfish over there, look, but nobody gone fishing here.
Maybe they cannot fish them here, I think.
Yeah.
Could be.
You see so many, I think, historical, things here around the Talat Noi. Let's explore more.
Somebody said as this is one of the most beautiful pier here in Bangkok, next to the Chao Phraya River, very close to Icon Siam on the other direction, and this is already, well, still central Bangkok, but I could tell you a little bit more local vibe here. Check this out. Some kids from school came with the tuk-tuk, some local business here, some nice statue. Let's explore what we can find here. Somewhere here is nice mural street, and I can tell you there are very small alleys here, so the vibe is a little bit different when in the central Bangkok. Even this is actually still nearby the central Bangkok actually. Looks like a local vibe. We like local vibe, and this is I think the art street over here. Here we go, that's the name. We're gonna get inside. Oh, nice Vespa.
Oh, this one is Talat Noi street art. As you see that surround me here, so many beautiful mural art. I think that those mural art actually having stories, like how it is Thailand long time ago. And also on the wall, the portrait of Chan Rung Krung Bangkok. Very nice.
Very
Wow.
interesting place. Very small alley. Not sure if the cars are allowed here, but everywhere where you're going, you can find the murals like this one with the stories. As you can see, Talat Noi. That's the name of the street and the area over here. And well, let's see what else we can find here. Not sure if you guys interested about the murals or not, but this one really deserves 3 or 4 minutes on my video. Almost like you, Zaire. Very nice. Okay, that's the murals, and seems like some local housing here as well. Nice mural, and this auntie saying us get inside. Okay, we're gonna go inside. Let's have a look.
Yes.
Okay. This lady explained. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, I think this lady taught us Thai again, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
That's the really little alley, but very nice with the very interesting vibe, atmosphere here.
Yeah, I think that like what I read in the Bangkok about Talat Noi, this is still influenced by the Chinese culture. Yeah.
Wow.
Careful.
It's a little bit scary. Look at this. Actually, this
Ooh,
one, this
don't
is very
touch.
sharp, but it's very nice.
Let's go.
So this is like a backyard of the housing complex here. Check this out, the old buildings. As Winny said, inspired by the Chinatown mural just here. They're washing something here, and that's like like I said, backyard.
Wow, look at this mural art on the wall. Beautiful with the dragon and the Chinese lady. Amazing.
So cool,
and
huh?
look behind you, honey. This one also nice.
Oh, this is like a bird, flying bird with the Chinese words here and some abandoned truck, or maybe not. And well, this is like a middle of the backyard. Look at the architecture, actually so nice over here. Back to the main alley. This guy is drawing something here. Hello. Very nice. Good job. Thank you. And there's like a little star. You can buy something, some drinks, some cokes, of course. Very nice. I'm gonna tell you. There's the river at the front, obviously. There's like a small alley. I don't think so many tourists coming here though. Because I see some, hey, thank you. Really nice. Really nice indeed. Nice murals. Amazing Thailand. So nice. What do you think, Sam?
Amazing.
Really
Wow.
cool, huh?
Yeah, many nice, beautiful, arts here. Look at this. Yeah, just like people said, this really influenced by Chinese culture.
Very nice indeed. A little tuk-tuk with the nice motorbike actually here as well. And here is the entrance to the Fortune Temple. Little Chinese temple with the fortune. Check this out, this guy is cooking something. Hello. So cool. Sunset gonna be very soon, shortly. Temple inside. And this is the modern building over there behind where we arrived. But the old architecture here. Very cool. Little car, bicycle and jet ski. I just wonder if they can cruising using the jet skis on the river in Bangkok. And so many old tuk-tuk. This is like an old version of Yamaha tuk-tuk. Very interesting also for everyone who are interested about the cars and bikes and stuff like this one. They have a cats here, not many dogs, cats. This is the modern version of the tuk-tuk in general. And this is little girl with the dog as well. It's so cute actually. Hello. 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 Look at this little doggo here, little girl. Oh. Bye-bye. So funny. So cute. And this is like a little housing area, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, be careful, Sian, behind you. They have a nice, very interesting. But this feels a little bit like in Chinatown, isn't it?
Exactly. Oh,
Feels
this is
like-
the map.
Oh,
Where
the
are
map,
we?
yeah. Like this one, but this is again only in Thai language, so that means it's not really that tourist area here. You scared? Don't be
No.
scared, don't be afraid. You are with me, Sian. Check this out. This mural is also nice over here. Sponsored by the Singa Waterla.
So let's explore more. This one is restaurant, I think Ban Rim Nam, but I think we will go at the sunset time. Let's explore first and then we come back.
Okay, let's go. Little alley deep inside again. Why is river laughing? And there is like a little temple. Not sure if I can get inside. I'm just gonna show you a little bit from the outside. Look like this one. This is the another like a courtyard or backyard. Not sure how I should call it. Some locals chilling here and some kids. They have so many material around the tree. Like I said, holy places. Some ladies running. That's like a local neighborhood. Okay, let's go to the restaurant, huh?
Yes.
Pretty cool local neighborhood, very nearby the center of Bangkok. I mean, you just arrive to the Savan Taxi and BTS, and you can take an orange flag for like 5 stops, just very close to the Icon Siam Mall, and you can explore here. Okay, now it's time for having some drink. And when you enter the restaurant, there is very nice head of something on the bike, like this one. And I think this is the Chinese style restaurant, by the way, overlooking the suns. Oh, check this out. Actually, inside, they already have a dragon just at the beginning, like this one. Very interesting place. Okay, definitely we're gonna grab a drink somewhere here, if it's open, though. That should be. Looks like this one. Oh, look at this one, hidden gem. Just a little bit, you have to look around. Little temple, of course. Somebody was painting here, and so many gems, actually. And this one is actually feels a little bit more tourist already, but definitely very cool and very worth to have a look inside. So that's the menu. You have to pay and buy something up front before you come. Like this one, the beers, like this one, general stuff. And with the view of the river, we can sit wherever we want, the lady said. We just arrived to one of the very cozy restaurants over here. Like we are sitting like on the floor, like this one, with the overlooking the river in Bangkok. And well, nice breeze, very cool little place actually. Very hidden, but very nice.
This is like a river club, Chao Phraya River Club. When you can see the beautiful sunset, but unfortunately the sunset is just like hiding behind the building. And you can see, so many boats here crossing the river, and look at that. I don't know what sort of boat it is. So
Looks like
long.
a train on the river actually.
Yeah.
It's cruising time to time, and we are just sitting. Just honey, don't jump. There is the water actually just over here. Pretty cool place, isn't it?
very nice breeze. And one thing, many people, saying that probably because the water here, the color of the water is brown, but it's not that smell bad.
It's
So,
actually
yeah.
very enjoyable. And we came by the boat like this one, by the way, orange flag. We got our mocktails, beautiful, actually pretty nice mocktails. Mine is the pina colada mocktail and yours strawberry something with the flower overlooking the river. Cheers, honey. So oh, your flower is out.
So both of these cost us around 200 baht. So
100 baht per one, which is like $3, exactly $3 US, 45k rupiah. Okay, cheers, honey. Oh, so cute with the flower like this. I nearly switched off this shot, but now I keep going. It's so nice. I'm gonna show you a little bit, one more shot. How does it look like restaurant? Some people enjoying. There is the river just literally next to each other, sunset time. And there is also tables in case if you would like a little bit more people. Also many people coming to making the pictures. Pretty nice place, I'm gonna tell you. Very cool indeed with all of the decors here. Look at this big fish actually over here. Also, I believe on weekends they have like a live band here because they have a scene here. Look at this dragon over here and everything. Actually, really cool place. Highly recommended. Look at how many cats is actually on the top of this building here. They are skinny cats, but look at the building just in general. Look like this one. And the sunset is like actually there. This is like end of the alley. There's also something is going on here. Check this out. They cooking something here. I'm not sure what are they doing, but there is something like a little pancake. Cool. Look like a little pancake. I'm gonna tell you. Food must be anywhere in Bangkok. Also the harbor here is pretty cool. At the end I'm gonna tell you can sit actually here overlooking while waiting for the boats, overlooking the boats actually and the river like this one. Sunset in the background. Very nice actually. Very cool. Really like the area over here.
okay guys, this is how the day we explore. I think that the neighborhood just like, close by the Bangkok actually.
It's like actually close nearby the city center of the Bangkok actually, like I mentioned before. We're gonna explore many more suburbs actually like this one in Bangkok. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow.